Welcome back to BK42 Cycles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Engwe P20, a folding electric bike designed specifically for city riders. We'll carefully weigh both pros and cons to figure out if this affordable choice lives up to the hype. I want to be clear up front about this. Engwe sent me the P20 to review. As usual though, my opinions remain independent so that you can make an unbiased decision. Now let's get started. The P20 arrived well packaged and is quite easy to assemble. Check out my unboxing and step-by-step assembly video right here. The P20 immediately impresses with its sleek design and lightweight build. The minimalist frame, featuring hidden wiring and integrated lights, offers a clean and modern look that's sure to catch your eye. Unfolding the bike is a breeze with just a couple of quick releases, and you're ready to ride. Folding it back up is equally simple, making it ideal for storage in apartments or use on public transportation. I found the magnetic adapter to be ingenious. Just attach it to the front axle, and it makes carrying the bike a lot easier. Clever design. With its 250 watts motor, the P20 offers great performance and enough power for easy city journeys. For such a little motor, its 42 Newton-meters torque is amazing, giving it a powerful push that makes climbing hills easy. Without the throttle, you can pedal to a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, and with the throttle, you may reach up to 31 kilometers per hour. Though I do wish I knew the brand of the motor, with its 36 volts 9.6 amp-hour detachable battery, which can be conveniently charged on or off the bike, it offers a reliable range for commuting. When it comes to range, Engwe claims the P20 can go up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. In my experience, riding mostly at level 3, I could only get about 41 kilometers. Now, range can vary based on factors like rider weight, terrain, and wind conditions, but I was hoping for at least 60 kilometers. Once the battery died, I had to pedal home, which wasn't too bad, but it's worth mentioning that the bike has no gears to help with pedaling. One of the most impressive features of the P20 is the hydraulic disc brakes, equipped with dual 160mm rotors. They are powerful, silent, and well adjusted. Honestly, they're almost overkill for such a small bike, but I love it. I wish my Engwe M20 had these brakes. The carbon belt requires minimal maintenance, and the single-speed transmission simplify things, making it ideal for commuting to work and keeping your trousers looking fresh. The 20-inch wheel with puncture-resistant tires offers the perfect balance of stability and agility, making them perfect for city riding. It's important to remember, though, that they are not appropriate for off-road situations and are too narrow to effectively absorb street bumps. There is no front or rear suspension included with the P20. I think about swapping out the seat post for one that incorporates suspension for a smoother ride. Regarding comfort while riding, the P20 has a cozy mountain bike saddle. I did have some seat discomfort after 30 kilometers of riding, but that is normal with any bike saddle after extensive use. The adjustable handlebar not only allows for a more upright riding position, but also enhances overall comfort during the ride. The controls are user-friendly, with a small thumb throttle and the front brake lever on the right side. On the left side of the handlebar, there's a clear LCD display that shows your speed, battery level, and other essential information. The display features buttons to adjust pedal assist levels, while separate buttons are used to activate the left and right turn signals. Additionally, you'll find the front brake lever and a small bell on the left side. You'll be impressed with the P20's responsive and comfortable ride from the moment you hop on it. There are 3 levels of pedal assistance, and the torque sensor responds rapidly. The first level offers less power, while the third level delivers full power. Because there are no mechanical gears, this can cause some ghost pedaling, but the maximum speed is the same for all 3 levels. The more I cycled, the more battery I managed to save. I also tried using it as a scooter with only motor power, and found the maximum speed more than enough for a bike this size. Definitely not a problem, It is important to point out that the headlight is attached to the frame and does not follow when you turn the handlebars. Integrated within the battery system and the frame, the rear lights are extremely sleek. The turning signals come on as necessary, and the brake light is always on. Rear lights also turn on when the headlight does, providing an additional layer of security, particularly for night trips. The 20-inch tires increase the range, but they don't make riding more comfortable. I rode it in the wet places, and the plastic fenders did an excellent job of keeping me dry and clean. The small back rack is another feature I like. The Engwe side bag I mounted on the P20 has made it ideal for grocery stores shopping and lightweight carrying. At just 18.5 kilograms, the P20 is really light, and I enjoyed how comfortable the riding position is. It can hold people who are between 155 and 190 centimeters tall and can carry up to 120 kilograms. One minor drawback, though, is the noise coming from the long handlebar stem. This is a problem I've noticed with all folding bikes. The Engwe P20 costs €1,099 at the time this video was recorded. It comes in black, white, green, and a limited edition red and black color scheme. Free shipping inside Europe and a 1-year warranty are also included. Remember to apply the code BK42 at checkout to receive a €100 discount. This discount code is also valid for the Engwe P20 Ace Limited Edition. BK42 stamp of approval? Absolutely. For those looking for an affordable and enjoyable electric bike for their city commute, the Engwe P20 is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.